Hello, and welcome to a virtual tour of our digital library. My name is Christina, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Have you been looking for a new book to read, but just haven't had time to stop by the library to pick up a copy? Well, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to download an ebook through Overdrive. With your library card, you can download ebooks using Overdrive and take your book everywhere and read it on your phone, Kindle, or computer. Let's get started.
To access Overdrive, you can start by visiting our website at lacountylibrary.org. On the center of the page, you can hover over Digital Library. From there, you'll see a menu, and under Explore, you can select eBooks. We have 3 services that offer ebooks: Overdrive, Hoopla, and Biblioboard. But today, I'm going to focus on our most popular service, which is Overdrive. Overdrive has thousands of ebooks available to download. To use Overdrive, you'll need your library card and PIN. To download ebooks, you'll have to download the Overdrive app to your device if you would like to view it on your phone, iPad, or Kindle. Once the app is installed, you can find LA County Library and start browsing our collection of ebooks and borrow items by entering your library card and PIN number. You can also go directly to Overdrive to search in your browser from your computer. To begin our virtual tour, we'll select Overdrive. Once you're on our library page, you can begin your search. We'll start our search by clicking on Subjects and narrow our search to eBooks. As you can see, the ebooks are listed by subject, and fiction and nonfiction for both adults and children. We'll scroll back up and do a basic search. By selecting Search, we'll search romance, and we'll enter the name of the author Danielle Steel and hit Enter. As you can see, by doing a basic search, this gives us 167 titles. Let's do a more advanced search so we can narrow our search down. We'll hit Search, and then we'll select Advanced. We'll type in Danielle Steel for the author, and under Subjects, we'll enter Romance. Then, under Date Added, you'll have the option to select books in the order they were added. For this search, let's see what we'll find for books that were added within the last 6 months. We'll limit our format to all ebooks, and we'll scroll down and hit Search. As you can see, there are only 2 titles, and there is a wait list for both of these titles. To place a hold, you can go ahead and select Place a Hold, and you'll be put on the wait list. Once you place a hold, you'll receive an email notifying you when your item is available to borrow. Let's go ahead and remove the last 6 months and see if we can find something that is available now. To find a book that is available to borrow now, you'll see that it's highlighted above the image of the book, and it will say Available. You can go ahead and select Borrow once you find the title that you'd like to borrow. You can borrow books for 21 days, or if you'd like a lesser loan period, you'd put 7 days or 14 days. I would like to borrow my item for 21 days, so I'm going to select Borrow. Then, once you've borrowed the book, you can go ahead and select Read Now with Kindle to view the book on your Kindle, Read Now in Browser to view it directly in your browser, or download an EPUB to view the device from the Overdrive app. You can borrow up to 15 items on Overdrive, and when you're done reading, they automatically expire at the end of the lending period and disappear from your account. If you get done with the book early and don't want to wait for it, you can simply get it removed by selecting My Account, Loans, and click on Return, then Return Title. Under My Account, you're also able to go in and check the status of your holds and see your wait time or the number that you are on the waiting list. Under the Collections tab, you have options to browse certain books that are available for a limited time: ebook classics, new ebooks, test books, and some of our most popular titles. You can also download books in Chinese and in Spanish. Let's do a search now for children's ebooks. Under the tab labeled Special, we'll select Kids. As you can see, there are a variety of books to choose from. If you want to specify your search for a certain book, we'll scroll back up and select Search, then Advanced, and enter a title. Let's look for an Amelia Bedelia book. We'll go ahead and type it in, or select Amelia Bedelia, and in the format, we'll limit it to all ebooks. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to select the interest level based on the grade you're trying to find books for, or the accelerated reading level and the Lexile measures, as well as text difficulties. For this search, we won't be limiting it to any reading level, and we'll just go ahead and select Search. Then we'll follow the steps as we did when we searched for a Danielle Steel book. If an item is not available, you can place a hold, or once you find one that is available, you can go ahead and select Borrow. If you're having trouble downloading an ebook on Overdrive, you can go ahead and select Help at the top of the screen, or you can always contact your local library for help. When you're looking for something new to read, I recommend downloading the Overdrive app and find LA County Library to download a new title.
We hope you enjoyed a virtual tour of our digital library. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.